In this video, you will learn how to buy the S&P 500 index fund on Charles Schwab. First, log in. Log into your account. Go to your Charles Schwab website or the app, then log into your account using your credentials. Go to the trading tab. Click on the Trade or Trade Now button, then choose either mutual funds or stocks and ETFs. Search for an ETF or fund. In the search bar, type the fund symbol, for example, SWPPX, which is a mutual fund, or Vanguard VOO ETFs. Click Buy. Select the fund or ETF, then click the Buy button to start your order. Enter the purchase details. Type in how much money for the mutual fund or how many shares for the ETF that you want to buy. Choose the order type and reinvest options if available. Review and submit. Double check all the details, then click submit or place order to complete your investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.